Have you ever ignored a bottle gourd at the grocery store because it looked plain and boring? What if I told you that this simple vegetable could become your secret weapon for healthy eating and weight loss? Lauki, also known as bottle gourd, is one of the most nutritious and low-calorie vegetables you can add to your diet. Packed with water, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, it helps keep you full, supports digestion, and makes healthy eating much easier. Today, we're going to explore 7 easy and delicious Lauki dishes that are perfect for anyone trying to lose weight without sacrificing taste. Let's get started. Our first recipe is Lauki Chana dal. This classic Indian dish combines soft, nutritious bottle gourd with protein-rich chana dal. The combination creates a filling meal that keeps hunger away for longer periods. The fiber from the lauki and the protein from the dal work together to provide steady energy throughout the day. The best part is that it is simple to prepare and tastes even better when served with a small portion of rice or whole wheat roti. If you're looking for a balanced meal that supports your weight loss goals, this is a great option. Next up is Lauki soup. When it comes to healthy dinners, nothing beats a warm bowl of homemade soup. Lauki soup is light, comforting, and surprisingly satisfying. The natural water content of bottle gourd makes the soup refreshing while still keeping you full. Add ingredients like garlic, ginger, black pepper, and a few herbs to enhance the flavor. This simple dish is perfect for evenings when you want something healthy, easy to digest, and low in calories. Our third recipe is Lauki juice. For years, health-conscious people have included Lauki juice in their morning routines. Fresh bottle gourd blended with mint leaves and a squeeze of lemon creates a refreshing drink that hydrates the body and supports digestion. Because Lauki contains a high amount of water and very few calories, it makes an excellent addition to a healthy lifestyle. Just remember one important rule. Always make sure the bottle gourd is fresh and never use one that tastes bitter. Now let's talk about Lauki besan chilla. If you think healthy breakfasts are boring, this recipe will change your mind. Grated bottle gourd mixed with gram flour creates a delicious savory pancake that is rich in both fiber and protein. The Lauki keeps the chilla soft and moist, while the besan provides long-lasting energy. Serve it with green chutney, and you have a nutritious breakfast that tastes great and helps control hunger throughout the morning. Our fifth recipe is Lauki tepla, or Lauki paratha. This is one of the easiest ways to include more vegetables in your daily meals. Fresh grated Lauki is mixed directly into whole wheat flour, creating soft and flavorful flatbreads. Because the vegetable contains so much moisture, very little oil is needed during preparation. These healthy parathas are perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even as a travel-friendly meal. Pair them with yogurt for a satisfying and balanced combination. The sixth recipe is healthy Lauki kofta. Traditional koftas are often deep-fried and heavy, but this healthier version is much lighter. Instead of frying, the koftas can be baked or steamed and then served in a flavorful tomato-based gravy. The result is a delicious dish that feels rich and indulgent while remaining much lower in calories. It's a great choice when you want healthy food that the entire family will enjoy. Finally, we have Lauki Khichdi. This comforting one-pot meal combines rice, lentils, and bottle gourd into a wholesome dish that's easy to digest and packed with nutrition. Lauki Khichdi is perfect for busy days when you need something quick, healthy, and satisfying. It provides a good balance of carbohydrates, protein, and fiber, making it an excellent option for both lunch and dinner. So why is Lauki such a popular choice for weight loss? The answer is simple. It is naturally low in calories. It contains a high percentage of water, which helps keep the body hydrated. It is rich in fiber, which promotes fullness and reduces unnecessary snacking. It supports healthy digestion and can be incorporated into a wide variety of delicious recipes. Unlike many trendy diet foods, bottle gourd is affordable, widely available, and incredibly versatile. Whether you prefer soups, juices, pancakes, curries, or comforting one-pot meals, there's a Lauki recipe that can fit into your lifestyle. The next time you see a bottle gourd in the market, don't overlook it. Instead, think of it as a simple ingredient with the power to transform your healthy eating journey. Try one of these 7 delicious recipes and discover how easy weight loss-friendly cooking can be. Which Lauki dish would you like to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes, nutrition tips, and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.